Did you know that bright yellow, seedy-looking poop in breastfed babies is actually the healthiest sign possible? That mustard-colored consistency with small white curds that might look concerning to new parents is actually perfect. It means your baby's digestive system is working flawlessly, breaking down breast milk and developing healthy gut bacteria. Those little seeds and curds show that every nutrient is being absorbed exactly as nature intended. Even more surprising, it's completely normal for newborns to have 8 to 10 dirty diapers every single day in those first weeks. Unlike formula-fed babies, breastfed baby poop has a mild, almost sweet smell that won't make you gag. This bright yellow appearance can continue for months, and every single diaper is proof that your baby is getting excellent nutrition. While other parents worry about unusual colors, you can feel confident knowing that seedy yellow mess is actually a sign of perfect health. Your baby's body is doing exactly what it should,